quick demo of the Octavia clone that I built. This is like, think Jimi Hendrix style fuzz with the subtle octave up effect. This one's based on the Tycho Brahe early 70s model, so post Jimi Hendrix by, sadly, a couple of years. I will post some pictures and then I'll do a quick audio demo at the end. This kind uses the negative ground scheme rather than the positive ground, so it's compatible with the same old power supply that you use for all your other pedals. You don't have to have a dedicated power supply just for one fuzz pedal. This started life as a home-etched circuit board, home-drilled from the layout that Madbean published. It's called the Retrograde. The sort of silver gray look you see over the copper is because I used this tin plating solution that's meant to protect the copper from oxidizing and corroding. I reverse etched it so you can see the word fuzz and volume in a raised manner instead of the usual enclosure etching, which is like the reverse of that. And I painted it with a hammer tone paint, just rattle can paint from Menards, and a ultraviolet purple LED just to keep the weirdness going.